Hello everyone, today we're unboxing this Z4 earphone, a high-fidelity earphone with a dynamic drive. Let's see what's inside. If you're interested in getting one for yourself, check out the link in the video description. It will take you straight to the shop where you can buy it. Wow, just look at this packaging. It's clear that a lot of thought has gone into every detail. Now, let's see what we have here. First up, we have the user manual, followed by multiple ear tips to ensure a perfect fit, next we have here this sleek case, and inside it, we find the wire cord. And the metal earbuds. The quality of this component is truly impressive. Here's the complete specification of the Z4 earphone. Now, let's assemble these earbuds. It's a straightforward process. Just attach the ear tips to the earbuds and we're good to go. Let's put these earbuds to the test. I'm going to plug it into my laptop and play one of my YouTube video. The sound quality is amazing, the bass is deep and rich, the mids are clear, and the highs are crisp. It's like having a live concert right in your ears. And the best part, these earbuds are incredibly affordable for the quality they offer. I highly recommend it. Check the video description for the shop link. Thanks for watching.